video 7 of our 8-week series on digital transformation. Okay, you understand the importance of digital transformation, but now you need to know what's next. What steps do you take? Keeping in mind that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, I am about to share a 10-step guide that you can use as a foundation to get the ball rolling with your digital transformation. The first step in the digital transformation process is to fundamentally change the way you think about your business today. Take a deep look at where your business is now and where you want your business to be in 1, 3, or even 5 years. Ask yourself, what are the potential areas of improvement? How can digital technologies contribute to your long-term business goals? During this step, please remember 2 things. It's okay to start small, and do not fall victim to fear-based advertising. Just last week, I received an email, and the subject line was, "Digital transformation is more urgent than ever." Do not let these types of advertisements get to you. Perhaps certain aspects of your digital transformation are more pressing than others, but following the proper planning steps is far more important. Number 2, get an IT evaluation to determine if your systems are ready for these modernization changes. This will shed light on how your existing technology will integrate with new technology. Number 3, take time to construct a realistic, detailed digital transformation roadmap. Like I have mentioned, there is no golden one-size-fits-all plan, and depending on the needs of your clients or ratepayers and your current digital environment, your plan will be specific to your organization. Think about the needs of your customers that you aim to meet or business processes that could be streamlined. Identify the purpose of each initiative in your plan. Number 4, financial planning. Coordinate your roadmap with your strategic budget to achieve a realistic timeframe. Number 5, identify the metrics you will use to measure the success of your new initiatives. Number 6, work incrementally. Prioritize the areas for improvement and move step by step toward your goals. This will help you stay on track with your roadmap. Number 7, appoint a leader to drive the implementation of the new initiatives. Create a champions group to prepare your employees for the changes to come. This group will drive adoption of new technology. Number 8, it is time to slowly roll out one of your new tools. Implement some technology in conjunction with your roadmap. Number 9, get employees using the tool. There will likely be some resistance, which can be minimized by providing proper training and by clearly articulating the reason for the new adoption. Number 10, revisit and adjust your digital transformation roadmap. This is an ongoing modernization. Over time, tools are changing, clients' and citizens' needs are changing, and therefore your organization will also need to alter and update your digital transformation roadmap. One last thing, don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. It is easy to list out the steps required to initiate your digital transformation, but it takes hours of hard work, commitment, planning, research, collaboration, and data analysis to construct your detailed roadmap, plus many more hours to implement and drive adoption of the new initiatives. TRINUS has experience in the area and is here to assist you with your roadmap planning when the time is right for you. Okay, switching gears for a moment. On a non-technical front, I would like to challenge you to smile at a stranger today. A simple smile can go a long way and brighten someone's day. I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great week.